Friends, welcome to Tastic Solutions. Today we will see in this video how to book Vistara flight tickets in the website. We will see step by step process and the detailed information. So before that, friends, if you are visiting first time in this channel, please subscribe to channel and like the video. So let us go to our topic today. First, press open your browser, Google browser, then click airvistara.com or search in Google. Enter after typing the Air Vistara. You will see here Vistara. Click on the first link. So display will come like this. Then choose your country. I'm choosing India. Then select language English. Done. Click on the done button. Here you see all the information for searching the flights. So now here you can select your type of journey, either one way or round trip. I'm selecting one way. This is also not giving. Suppose I'm selecting just I'm altering, giving the one way only by selecting the alternate date. So I'm just selecting passenger, one passenger only. If you want to add child passenger and infant passenger also here, and select economy or business. You are traveling by which class, by economy class or business class or premium economy. You can select over here and click on the done button. So now you can click search flights link. So here you can able to see here one flight is showing, that is Bangalore to Mumbai. So duration hours and everything will show here. Departure at 6:40 and arrival is 8:25. It is direct flight and the duration hours is 145 hours, and other flight is 8:30 departure and 10:15. So there are list of which one you want. You can go through all the flights and whatever you want according to your timing and cost, select that one. So I'm just selecting this flight. Okay, 9:41. So you can over here you can able to see here there are two fares are showing. One is economy standard and the other one is economy flex. There is a specific rules applicable for every fare. So you need to read all those information, and whatever you want to, you can select that. I'm just selecting. So you can able to see our fare rules, economy standard. The meals is not applicable on this fare and till 24th August, and check-in baggage 20 kg allowed, only one PC. Changes, if you changing the flight, you need to pay changes penalty 2500, and cancellation, if you are going to cancel the ticket, then you have to pay the 3000 rupees for cancellation fee. So according to that, if you are okay with that, then you can go ahead and continue here. Click on the continue link. Next page will show you here. If you have any membership ID, you can enter that membership number, or else you can continue as a guest. Click on the continue as a guest link. So it will take you to the next process. See here, now you need to enter your information. Suppose you are a master, then you can name. I'm just entering my name just simply. So if you have the frequent flyer number, then you can add here. Contact information, I'm just giving my email ID and reconfirm email ID. If you have the alternate email, you can also add here and give the mobile number. So no thanks, emergency. So I'm clicking on the continue. Next you need to click on the continue button. All the you need to clearly enter all the passenger information. See here it's showing some error. We need to enter passenger name at least 2 characters. That means you need to enter last name fully. So single character system will not accepting. So I'm accepting, just I have entered now. Then clicking the continue button. So here you can able to, there is a multiple option to select the seats which, so pre-reserved seat and pre-reserved meals, whatever you want you can add here by clicking the buttons. Suppose you want to seat means you can add here, because the cost, seat cost will be separate. The cost will be added in this along with this flight fare. It will show you at the time of payment. So now I'm not selecting anything. So clicking the continue next, you have to click on the continue link. Now you can select your payment mode. They are going to pay by through card or internet banking, whatever. See the given mode you have to select. If you are paying this by credit card means you can select over here and click which card you are using, Visa or Master or American Express. Simply just select Visa, then enter your card information here and click on the, after entering the card information you can agree this by clicking this link, terms and conditions, then click on the continue link, so that your payment will be, if your payment is successfully processed, then your ticket will be automatically generated with booking PNR. There is a PNR reference will be given to you along with the ticket. So all the ticket view copy also will be mailed to you, and the system will show you after made the payment. So if you want to other mode also, if you want to, if you are going to paying the by wallets or net banking, then you can select over here. So I think you are understand all this information. So this video is very helpful to you, I believe. So thank you for watching video. Please subscribe to channel for more interesting videos and like the video. Thank you for watching video.